duckling! Oh my gosh, I can't believe they're that close. This is so cute, Mum. I'm sorry, I just need to be here right now. I know, they came right out from the riverbank for you, didn't they? Just be really mindful with your paddle. Oh, that was just the most adorable thing ever. Oh, that's good.
Don't touch it. Gotta keep up.
Not near the ducks, okay? Near the ducks' face. Astrid, please give them space. We don't want them to accidentally get run over or anything. That would be really sad. Oh, I think they're going back to their home now. Thanks for being with us, beautiful little ducklings.